Hey guys, today I'm doing a freestyle set, and I actually did this set a little while ago. It's just been sitting in my phone, so since we're sitting in quarantine, I decided I'd edit some videos and actually post them for you guys. Right here, I'm just shaping the nails. I've already cut them down to the length I desire, and they were stiletto nails. That's why they're already semi-tapered. So it doesn't take much for me to shape them into the coffin shape. When shaping, you want to be sure that the file is straight and aligned with the sidewall, and this will create a nice, clean, crisp edge. When I'm done shaping, I always flip the client's hand over to make sure the nails are straight and even. You also want to be sure that you're holding the client's skin back to protect it from the file, because it is very easy to cut them while shaping. Then I take my sanding band and I blend the tip into the natural nail. You want to be careful and make sure you're not touching the natural nail, or at least avoiding it as much as possible. At this point, the natural nail is already prepped, so filing it again is considered over-filing and causes damage to the natural nail. I don't wait to prep the natural nail until after the tip is on, because prepping the natural nail first before putting the tip on helps the tip adhere better. And you want to be sure to remove all the bulk, blend it very well, because it will make your acrylic very bulky and lumpy. Here I'm just applying the Gelish pH bond to all 10 fingers, which acts as a dehydrator. And then I'm going in with Gelish Pro Bond, which acts as a primer, and I only apply it to one hand at a time. I'm starting with a small bead of DCH Cinderella and blending it to the tip. I want to create an ombre effect, but also keep the glass tip. So now I'm going in with AB glitters and I'm just placing them sporadically. And I'm basically just repeating the same process on each nail. Now I'm encapsulating with Young Nails Speed Clear, and you want this bead to be a little bit more wet than what you would normally lay it. You can always go back in and add more to build your apex if necessary. Now I'm filing the acrylic into shape, just creating those nice crisp edges that we all love. Here is the finished product. You can call this set day and night. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see y'all next time.